Hey guys, we all have a tendency of leaving the things incomplete. Whatever we start, we just don't seem to finish it. And that's the major reason we don't see any kind of results or any kind of movement in our lives. We seem to settle at where we started. 10 years down the line, 20 years down the line, most of the people seem to be there where they were 10, 20 years back. When we talk about having a job, we don't completely finish that job. Whenever we get into a new job, we are always looking for the next one. Whenever we are looking for partners, we are trying to date 2 or 3 partners at a time, multiple partners. Whenever we are trying to make friends, we are trying to make friends with so many other people. We don't try to focus upon one thing at a time. And because we don't focus upon one thing at a time, we are not able to give our 100% to that one thing. And because of that, we don't come to know what is really there in that thing for us. Is it really good for us or is it really bad for us? We are not able to get the clarity of what is exactly we want to do. What is it that makes us tick? What is it that we want to do in the future which makes us happy? Because we just keep on moving from one thing to the another and we just become rolling stones. It is very essential to have a clarity of mind, to have a clarity of thought, and that only comes once you struggle at one place for a particular amount of time, be it your job, be it with your partner, because on both occasions you will try to find ways, try to find alternatives to become better at those activities. Second is we become resilient with time, resilient after struggling, and after we have had our small wins after the struggle, we tend to have a footing at that place. And because we have a footing and we have some confidence going for ourselves, we know we can get through things in the future also. That is why it is very important to start to complete what you have started. Third thing is we come to know our strengths and weaknesses. Most of the people don't even know what their strengths are and where their weaknesses lie because they haven't tested themselves to the limit. Fourth thing is we start saying no also. We have a new word in our dictionary, the no word. We want ourselves to be tested in our current situation first, and for that we don't go for any other opportunity that lies on the horizon. We test ourselves in the current waters, and because we test ourselves in the current water and say no, we know that opportunity will be there 6 months also after this time. That will be there, and because we are struggling right now and are trying to forge our path, we will have more number of opportunities coming our way. So saying no also becomes a very good important part of our lives at that point. So it's extremely essential that we complete what we start on most of the things. I'm not saying like you do it for everything, but most of the things which matter to you in life, because this is what will give you the satisfaction and the courage to start different things in life, because you will know you have completed your things and you have done well. So thank you.